Hello, in this video we'll see if OnePlus Open 5G comes with a USB cable in the box. So here's my OnePlus Open box, and let's open this box. This is how the box opens, and here is my device on a red tray. We can lift this tray for now and set it aside to see if there's a USB cable in the box. Here is a charging brick, and here is another box. You can open this box and see that there's a case, and the case is put on top of another box. Let's put this case here and see what's inside this box. Let's open it, and you can see that there's a cable, USB Type A to USB Type C, both male ends. And here's our cable. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.